Changing your phone number on your American Express account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section in the menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Services section, find the option for Personal Information or Contact Information. Click on it to access your current details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the field for your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated area, ensuring it is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new number is recorded. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer service for assistance.